Hi guys, we are in the beautiful south of Goa, which is Benaulim, and let's see where we're about to stay. Welcome to my channel, Isha Beyond Borders. From the moment I arrived, the experience felt incredibly warm and welcoming. I was greeted with a fresh coconut drink that instantly set the Goa mood, and the staff was incredibly polite, attentive, and kind. The check in process was smooth, quick, and completely hassle free. Wow, this is such a beautiful room. Oh, and it's got an amazing view as well. Just look at that view. I was really looking forward to visiting this property because I've heard so much about it, and it's the only property in the South Asia region which is villa style accommodation. As you can see, they have made such a beautiful decor. It's so pretty, so lovely. It's just brightened my day for today. And here's a very cute little washroom. And this side, I see some lovely welcome desserts. Wow. And a welcome card as well. So thank you so much, Mr. Vinayak Patnekar, for this beautiful experience. All right, now let's head out towards the balcony, which gives direct access to the pool. Wow. I'm just mesmerized by the beauty. It is so cozy. The entire place is quiet, it's cozy, it's calm, and I think it's perfect if you're looking for that beautiful, relaxed holiday. Kawa, the in-house restaurant at Fairfield by Marriott Goa Benaulim, truly delivers an exceptional dining experience. The dishes are absolutely delicious with rich flavors and high-quality ingredients in every bite. The food is beautifully presented and tastes just as good as it looks. What makes the experience even better is the hospitality of the staff, which is warm, courteous, and extremely attentive, making sure you are comfortable and well taken care of. Overall, the food, taste, and service at Kawa are simply outstanding. All right, so it's evening time, and we are heading towards the beach with our picnic basket for a beautiful setup and an amazing evening. Here's what the basket looks like. I'm gonna take it from Ali, and then thank you. And our buggy is here already, so we're gonna head there. So here at the beach in no time, and he's come to accompany me. He's also going to help us arrange and set up the entire picnic basket, and I'm kind of looking forward to the experience. It's around 5:30, and just the perfect time to hit the beach and get that golden hour sunset. And here's the ultimate reveal of the picnic basket experience. There's everything that you need for the perfect picnic basket experience. You can see plates, there's cutlery, there is sandwiches, juice, a couple of other snack items, and a beautiful evening awaiting us just by the beach. Wow, just look at this amazing pool view. I think one of the best decisions, guys. I was contemplating because South Goa is said to be slightly quiet and dull and all that, but I think it's a great decision because I just needed this kind of holiday wherein I can relax and I don't need to hurry around. Having said that, they have planned a lot of activities. They have actually handed over an itinerary to me, and it's all going to be very calm and relaxing and artsy kind of stuff. So it's I'm not going to rush around, but yes, I'm also looking forward to that. There is a mini football court for fun and energetic games, along with indoor play activities like chess, TT, and caroms, perfect for relaxing and unwinding. These activities make the stay enjoyable for families, friends, and guests of all age groups. And today was a long day. I was supposed to do the Poi experience, but I wanted to hit the beach and I spent some time at the pool, so couldn't make any time for the Poi experience and I had to skip it. But the Fairfield Benaulim has made it a point to make the evening even special, and they have arranged a dinner by the pool, and that's how it looks. So here I've ordered for a kutti mirch paneer tikka, and I've also ordered for a farm fish pizza with Thai red curry and rice. I'm starting off with this and then I'm gonna end it for this one. Delicious as always. Thoroughly enjoyed every meal from the restaurant Kawa. So I am leaving the Fairfield by Marriott Benaulim. It has been one of the most wonderful stays, and this is their Stori Tree where there are memories from all their guests. And now I am a part of this family as well because I have left my thoughts and my experience on this note.